And moving on now to news in the aftermath of Cyclone Fani in Odisha, the relief and the rescue operations in the cyclone affected Puri, Khurda, Jagatsinghpur, Jajpur and other areas is in full swing. The power supply in 3 affected districts have fully been restored now. 1,56,000 electric poles were uprooted in the Puri district alone. Now 40% areas in Bhubaneswar have begun to get water supply, while 25% electricity supply is likely to be restored by this evening. The state government has announced an ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees for the family of the deceased and 50,000 to those injured. Meanwhile, the elections to the Patkura Assembly constituency has been extended by 2 months. It was postponed keeping in view the devastation caused by Cyclone Fani. And earlier on Monday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi conducted an aerial survey of the Odisha cyclone-hit areas to review the damage caused by the cyclone. He undertook an aerial survey of Pipli, Puri, Konark, Nimapada and Bhubaneswar and was accompanied by Odisha Governor Professor Ganeshi Lal, the Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Soon after that, the Prime Minister took a review meeting with the senior officers of the central and the state government to take stock of the damage caused by the cyclone and relief and rehabilitation measures being undertaken. Prime Minister Modi assured all the possible assistance to the state and announced an immediate assistance of 1,000 crore rupees. And Prime Minister Modi assured that a central team will visit the state soon to assess the extent of damage to the infrastructure, housing, fishermen and farms and relief to be provided to the state. He has also directed the central and the state government officers of power, telecom and the railways to ensure the restoration of the services at the earliest and the road and the surface transport ministry to take effective steps for the repair of the damaged roads. He has also asked insurance companies to dispatch their observers immediately to the flood-hit areas to assess the crop insurance-related claims of the farmers and provide them relief at the earliest. Prime Minister Modi has also announced a compensation of 2 lakh rupees for the next of the kin of the deceased and 50,000 rupees to those seriously injured. And days before the cyclone,
बिजली हो, कम्युनिकेशन हो, हेल्थ के लिए आवश्यक जो भी बातें हो उसको हम प्राथमिकता दे रहे हैं। उसके लिए जो भी आवश्यकता है नवीन बाबू ने बहुत अच्छा प्लान किया है। भारत सरकार उसमें उनके साथ रह करके सारी चीजों को आगे बढ़ा रही है। साइक्लोन की खबर आने के तुरंत बाद भारत सरकार ने पिछले हफ्ते साइक्लोन आने से पहले 381 करोड़ रुपीस रिलीज किया था ताकि तत्काल काम में आए। आज जो मेरी राज्य सरकार से बात हुई है तत्काल उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए 1000 करोड़ रुपीस 1000 करोड़ रुपीस और रिलीज किया जाएगा।
So days before the cyclone made the landfall, the centre has released an assistance of 381 crore rupees to Odisha, and yesterday an additional assistance of 1,000 crore rupees for the state was announced when Prime Minister Modi had visited the cyclone Fani affected areas in Odisha. Moving on now, the holy